In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendar with Notion. By the end, you'll have two practical ways to keep your schedules aligned: a seamless setup using Notion Calendar, and a flexible automation approach that connects a Notion database to Google Calendar. First, the quick and recommended method: Notion Calendar. Start by getting the Notion Calendar desktop app for your operating system, or open the web version at calendar.notion.so. When you launch it, sign in with your Google account and grant the permissions it requests. This allows Notion Calendar to read and write events so everything stays in sync. Once connected, your Google Calendar events will appear right inside Notion Calendar. If you also use Notion databases to track events, link your Notion workspace so those database events show up alongside your Google schedule. From here, you can edit events directly in Notion Calendar, change titles, times, locations, or descriptions, and those updates will sync back to Google Calendar automatically. If you manage multiple Google Calendars, check the visibility toggles to control what you see, and confirm your time zone in settings to avoid mismatched times. Color coding calendars and adjusting default notifications can make the view easier to scan at a glance. Now, if you want deeper control over which items become calendar events, use an automation. Begin by creating a database in Notion to store your events. Add a date property. If you want start and end times, use a date range. Next, choose an automation tool such as Zapier or Notion Automations. Create a workflow where the trigger is when a new item is created in your Notion database, and the action is create Google Calendar event. Map your database properties to calendar fields: title to event name, date to start and end time, and any notes to the event description. You can also specify which Google Calendar to target if you maintain separate calendars for work and personal. Configure any optional filters so only the items you care about become events, then test the workflow with a sample database entry. Once everything looks right, turn it on and your new Notion items will create events in Google Calendar automatically. Keep an eye on time zones, and consider adding a default duration if your date is a single timestamp. If you need more advanced behavior, many tools let you refine the sync timeframe and build custom logic without changing your core setup. That's it. Choose the method that fits your workflow and enjoy a unified, reliable schedule.